Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to hide Instagram following list. So to do that, let's head over to our Instagram application first. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile. Now go to the three lines on the top right of the menu. From here, scroll down and go to account privacy. So as you can see, I have turned my private account on because when your account is private, only the followers that you approve can see what you share, including your photos or videos on hashtag and location pages and your followers and following lists. Certain info on your profile, such as your profile picture and username, is visible to everyone on and off Instagram. So this is the only way with which you can hide your Instagram following list. So yeah, this is how to do it. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.